go to high school here, they had a distance learning center.
GLC.
Oo.
So for the last 2 years of my high school, when I started working na, I needed to homeschool. So I would go here for exams. That was it, but that's in the building where they do mix.
Klase mo si John Pratt, Stefano Mori, tsaka si Carlo Aquino.
Hindi kami magka-batch, pero I heard they went there.
Oh, tas iba yung, syempre ngayon, yun nga, bilang artista ka na sa kabila, tapos tumungtong ka ulit dito. Bilang star ka nung,
It was nice to come in this time na pinapasok ako ng guards without a problem.
Hindi ka hinarang?
Because when I was a student, ibang story yan. Ayun, wala. Masaya naman ako. Everyone, so far with Star Cinema, kasi I've been doing the mall shows also with them, hindi naman nila ako tinatrato na others. So, I feel happy naman to be here and I feel good and everyone's very nice to me. Even the security here is super nice.
At saka masarap yung feeling, Rian, bilang artista kasi isa ka sa mapapalad na mga kapuso stars na nakapag di ba? May pelikulang i-release ng
Ding
star.
Dong, Dennis, Rian.
Oo, konti lang kayo, girl.
Hindi naman talaga hindi siya isang opportunity na nakukuha ng kahit sinong, even if you're an artist of ABS-CBN to do a movie with someone from GMA, or me as a GMA artist to do a movie with someone from ABS, and for that pa to be distributed by Star Cinema. It's really siguro not a normal occurrence.
Diba?
So, swerte ako na na-experience ko siya.
Oo, tapos Rian, nung bagets ka, kasi parang lahat naman nagkaroon ng crush kay Piolo. Was there a time na, or naging crush mo ba siya ever? Sa totoong buhay?
Ngayon pa lang.
Talaga? After working? Bakit? Hindi nga.
So, yun. Before kasi aga girl ako growing up. Kasi siya din yung favorite nung yaya ko.
Aga mula?
Oo, so parang na-brainwash niya na din yata ako. Pareho kaming aga crazy. Anyway, but now, because we've met, or not naman just because of that, you're very guapo naman even from afar. But just now because we've met and he has a really nice personality and good sense of humor and everything. Yun.
Oo, yun nga. Ano yung na-discover mo, Rian, na pinaka-gusto mong ugali niya? Yung bilang tao, yung behind the camera, hindi yung bilang artista.
Hindi. He's very spontaneous. When he decides to do things, it's usually last minute.
Like ano yan?
Huh?
Like what?
I don't know. Like for example, after our Cinemalaya premiere, we did have an official after party.
Ayun.
And then we all know, all of us naman, we all have work every day. And so whatever chance we get to rest, we want to naman, diba? And then out of nowhere, he's just like, let's go to another after party. And then we were all like, okay. So we were all game, and then it's just spontaneous.
Okay, thank you.